to Mini Minds Learning.
Welcome to Mini Minds Learning.
Hello little friends, welcome to our special birthday party. Do you see the balloons, the cake and all the gifts? Guess what? We are going to count from 1 to 20 using all these fun birthday items. Are you ready? Let's start the counting party together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What a mix! 11, 12, 13, 2, 14, 15. Just for you. 16, 17, having fun. 18, 19, almost done. 20 numbers we can say. Let's count again and shout hooray!
One birthday cake, shining with love. 2 cupcakes, sweet and small. 3 party hats, ready for fun. 4 gift boxes, wrapped so bright. 5 candles, glowing on the cake. 6 balloons, floating in the air. 7 lollipops, colorful and sweet. 8 donuts with rainbow sprinkles. 9 lollipops, one for everyone. 10 candies, yum. Wow! You've already counted from 1 all the way to 10. That's amazing, little friends. We saw so many birthday balloons, candles and cakes. Can you remember some of them? Let's think. 1 birthday cake, 2 candles, 3 colorful balloons. You're doing so great! Hey birthday friends, let's look around and count together. How many balloons are there? 5 balloons. How many party hats are there? 2 party hats. How many cupcakes are there? 3 cupcakes. How many birthday cakes are there? 1 birthday cake. How many gift boxes are there? 4 gift boxes. How many candles are there? 8 candles shining bright. How many candies are there? 7 candies. How many lollipops are there? 6 lollipops. How many gummy bears are there? 9 gummy bears. How many jelly beans are there? 10 jelly beans, sweet and colorful. Yay! Great job, birthday counters! You counted all the way from 1 to 10. Let's clap and celebrate your smart minds. You're doing so great. Now, are you ready to count even higher? Let's keep the party going and count from 11 to 20. Come on everyone, let's go! 11 stars, shining so bright. 12 ice creams, so cold and tasty. 13 fireworks, lighting up the sky. 14 flowers, blooming with color. 15 cookies, fresh and warm. 16 hearts full of love. 17 butterflies fluttering in the air. 18 paper garlands decorating the walls. 19 twinkly lights shining so bright. 20 macaroons, sweet and color. Hey there, little learners. Let's count and find the correct answers together. How many stars do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Wow! There are 20 shining stars. Next, look at the flowers. Aren't they pretty? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12 flowers. What about the hearts? So many colors of love. Almonds. Count them slowly. 1, 2, 3. You got it. 15 hearts. Look, butterflies. They are flying all around. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. There are 11 butterflies. Now, how many birthday lights are glowing? So bright and colorful. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There are 14 birthday lights. Oh, check out those birthday paper decorations. They make the party look amazing. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 13 paper decorations. Now, listen carefully. Can you hear the whistles? Beep, beep. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 16 party whistles. And last, my favorite, donuts. Yum! Let's count the tasty treats together. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 18 donuts. Fantastic counting, everyone. You did it. You're a counting superstar. Wow, you did it, my little friends. We counted all the way from 1 to 20. You counted balloons, cakes, gifts, and so many fun birthday things. That was amazing. Learning numbers is so much fun when we do it together. So give yourself a big clap. You are all superstars. Thank you for joining this colorful birthday counting party. See you next time for another fun learning adventure. Bye bye, little friends. Bye bye. Watch more fun videos on Mini Minds Learning. And don't forget to like and subscribe.